Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on voice chat on Roblox. First of all, you have to tap on three dot over here and go to settings. In setting you have to guys click on this privacy option, and here you have to scroll down and see whether you have microphone is present in the privacy or not. So if you don't have microphone or the voice chat feature here, in my location the voice chat is showing as a microphone feature. You have to enable this microphone to enable or turn on the voice chat. And if you don't see this option, guys, first of all you have to verify your phone number, or you have to verify your ID, or using ID you have to verify your age. So as per your location you have to choose a method. If you are in 5 countries like US, Canada, UK, or Australia, then you have to use number verification method. If you are in other countries, not in five these in not in these 5 countries, then you have to use verify your age using the ID verification. So once you done with the verification, you will get the voice chat or the microphone feature here. And once you enable it from the privacy, now you just need to open uh, any game that supports microphone as communication. So once you open any game, guys, that supports microphone as communication or the voice chat feature, then just tap on this mic or avatar set to enable voice chat, and that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.